Hello, today I will introduce some counting packing machine design for the candy. And we saw that some customer would like to pack different kind of candies in one bag. For example, this customer wants to pack the two yellow of the gummy bears and two green candy and two red candy in one bag. And so we can see how this machine will work. Okay, so behind me we can see the machine still not finished, but we can see how it's working with the overall 1 to 10 vibration feeder content. And you can see that this kind of feeder, the surface is special treatment with the temple plate, because the candy is very sticky when the vibrating. So we use this special treatment to avoid this problem happens. Okay, after the contents one by one here, and then there is a sensor to count the candy here and drop into our customized design conveyor, which is also anti-contact with the stainless steel frame. And then after, the candy will go to our main packing machine. The packing machine the product will be dropped into our pack unit, and the packing machine will be automatically pack and seal the bag here. And now we are on the testing space.